we at? Why is that not connected? Oh, you know why that's not connected? Um, damn it. She is. I don't know why. It was just working earlier. And now it's not working. I wonder if it's because... Nope, it's not because of that. Damn it. Oh, she's a heavy sleeper. Thank God. I'm blessed with a child that's heavy sleeping. Shit. I quit. I quit. I quit. I quit. Mm-hmm. I can't win. I really cannot win. Oh my God. I'm already I'm already getting someone on Twitch at about collabing. There's no way I am collabing right now. I barely know what the hell I'm doing on my own. And I can't even see my YouTube chat. How do you collab on Kick? Is beyond me. Mm-hmm. Well, I am shit out of luck on that. Um. Oh. Prepare and stream. I'm already broadcasting though. No. What the hell? No data. How's it no data? I can't with this. we go. It works now. And that needs to go right there. Okay. How's it look? It looks fun. I don't know. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Uh, I think we'll work. I think we're fine. Okay. I have that up. Okay, let's see. I don't like. But then you guys won't be able to see it on Twitch or Kick or anything like that. And now I need this. So working on trying to figure out how to make a import counter. Oh. It's 0, and then if import yellow is import yellow is equal to that, then it would be a import counter plus equal 1. And then print I really don't like that there. Import counter. So run it. It's 13. You hit Y, and it captures it. Ooh. So that needs to be. Oh shit. And then another monitor. Actually, what I can do is, because that'll let me know if I have anyone come over, so I can just switch it straight to my iPad. Awesome. And now I can have my notes. I'm trying to get used to this keyboard. It is not working out. User is numbers to that. LBY. Import counter plus equal 1, and then if special to that, one. I don't know what that even means on a collab. So we do 14 Y and Y. Ha, it works. That was an easy one. Oh my gosh. I may try to do that tomorrow. Ouch. Well, if I do that, make it so the user has to have 2 selected, it would be pointless on the strength meter. So we have that. So we have. You guys can't even see what I'm trying to fucking do. That was stupid of me. Where can I put this so it's not gonna be in the freaking way? You guys can even see the output of that. Why is that? That's because it's only set for 1920 by 1080. Whoops. Didn't know that. Well, I would have paid more attention to that. Especially because I'm running a 20 or a 34-inch ultra wide. Shit. There we go. Looks revealed for me. I'll fix that tomorrow. I need a piece of paper so I can write that down. Damn it. I'm trying to do this, but oh well. Have that. Actually, what we can do is I'll make this down. Just like that. And then I'll move the chat. Right there. Right there. And now you can see all the code. And then run it. Oh, I don't want that. I want one end like that. So you can do a 20 letter thing. It will do yes, 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 yes. 4 is used with the password. Now we can work on so we can do that. If West is on still on Kick, what do you mean by collab? This is only my second time streaming over on Kick. I don't know if he's still on. I think I can put a oh well. I got things to add. So, um, step to do is I want to paste, to be able to have it be copied to clipboard. So that will involve us having to install a top half. How to nope, wrong. More selected. Take this and update that. So we actually turned this into my first somewhat reasonable project I've done. Basically on my own with ChatGPT as a tool and not throwing the code directly in my face and making me think of how to do this. So before just go ahead and so it wants us store a library called paperclip. So if we do the pip install piper clip to use piper, right? So now we have to do this. Are we being for real right now? Wait, that's not popping up on my YouTube at all right now? Like, are we being serious? We are being serious right now. Not now. Why is it saying upcoming when it's not upcoming? My god. Why is this being stupid right now with me? Oh my god. It's not streaming over on YouTube. I don't know why. It just says upcoming event when it's not a upcoming event. I'm doing it right now. Oh well, it's fine. Stop. I want. Oh my god. Nope. It just crashed it, I think. Why? Disconnect. Why is it doing that? Okay, well, I don't know what's going on with it. I don't even know where it went now. Well, right now we're just gonna be on YouTube and not YouTube, but Kick and Twitch for right now. It isn't what it is. I'll have to fix my YouTube stuff tomorrow. Okay. So, like we were doing, working on the concept of so we have to take the results from the generated password and pass it into the clipboard dot clip or no copy method, I think it is. Copied. And then with that, oh, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get me a drink. Ouch. I do. So we're gonna take this and using the copy, I had to import that first from Piper clip, import clip, and I'm just gonna import the whole thing, I guess. And then with that, we will do clip pipe. Is it import or is it just from Piper import clipboard? Or is it just import? So we had to set it up so that it don't auto clip to the clipboard. So in order to do that, we need to generate the password and then ask the user if it wants to be copied to the clipboard. If yes, then it'll confirm copy. So this is the clipboard section. User clip is equal to import of would you like to copy to clipboard, and that'd be a yes or a no. And then it'd be pipe, so we do have to import that. Import Piper. And then if user clip is equal to y, then it would be Piper clip to copy, and that will be the results. And this is going to be the clip pass is going to be equal to that, so that we can print to and allow the user to say so say copy to clipboard. Oh, before this we have to ask the user if they want to copy to clipboard. And yeah. Copy that, paste to that, get rid of this. So now we test if that works. So password gen, we'll just do a minimum of 8. Y. Yes, I would like to copy to clipboard. And then if it's done correctly, so there's the pass. And there's that. So it actually did work, which is awesome. So, what next thing could we do to add to this? Ouch. Oh shit. Thank God for a sit stand desk. So we have this. Now the next thing that we could do is add it to our actually let me do this. No. Damn it. GitHub. And create new repo. Password script. Real project that I've done with the help of ChatGPT as a tutor, not showing me code. But walking me through the process of figuring this out. Public, create repo. Okay, now we add to a VCS, enable, yes. Manage accounts. No. It's been so long since I've done this, I can't remember how to do it. Remotes. Copy. This and that, did that, okay. Commit. Project. We need to make sure that we have a new file of dot get ignore add, and then gets add. With this, we do ID v, and then commits, and it should only be 2 files, which is awesome. And we have this. Damn it. Commits, commit, and commit. And then we push. And now it's on to the whole project on my GitHub, which I can link. But before I link it, I want to clean my GitHub up. I have a lot of useless projects on there that are half complete and half not complete. So I will link my GitHub stuff to later. Now we have one or two. We have an option of we can start to make this more of a window theme. We're using Streamlit. Or which if we do with Streamlit, you be able to see it there when I post the URL. Which I think it'd be cool if we take what we've learned from here and made it work with the Streamlit. We can add a few features to, we can ask the user if we want to make multiple passwords, or do we make it so that we can append it to a TXT file. I don't really know. Obviously, if I do use this, Maybe we can make it to where you can generate a QR code with this also. Or a barcode. And obviously I won't store it. I don't know. I don't know. I think that's what we're going to do is we're going to switch it over and make it a web-based nets. Which if we do that and make it so length would be a slider, checkboxes be asking the user to select for lower upper numbers and symbols and such. Then you have a button to generate, a button to copy. Because if it's based like that, I'd be more user friendly. But then I won't be able to work on it because I did a lot of this while I was at work before I clocked in and while I was on lunch. So that's why you get to see the ending of it. So I mean, it's been a lot of fun making, for me at least. Alright, let's switch over and make it a new project. I'm gonna keep this up for reference. And I do have my notes. So this is gonna be the passwords gen Streamlit. On Streamlit. be right back. And we're back. This. Okay, I'm gonna put him over on the iPad. I don't need that. Where's meld? I don't want that. Right over there. I want that right here. And I have him right there. We will have a Python file, new project. Password script is that. This is going to go into here as a new folder. Streamlit, create, open, create this window. Get rid of that. Damn it. I need to install pip install Streamlit. Be a minute to download everything. Awesome sauce. Now I need to pull up my open my cheat sheet up for damn it. Where's my cheat for Streamlit? Settings, no. It's for we have that. And then we put on import Streamlit as st, and then with that we need to write that header is equal to st dot header, and that is generator, and then we will run it in this as Streamlit run main.py, and we have this. Which is going to suck because I don't have this set up for my display because I overlooked it. Where'd it go? So let's just get the basics for right now. You do the pip install Streamlit. When you do that, then you'll do import Streamlit as st and do a test with the st.header. First is just to figure out how to get a random password to show up. Now I do know I need random and string. So with that being said, so the same concept as we were doing in the one, we want to think like a guard, like if we're at a pool. So we need to do, I want this new window. So ask the user for a, so let's do that. Input for length of password. And now you guys can't see that. So with that, we take Streamlit thing and do a slider. So user path length slider equal st slider min is 8, max is 24, run. So we have an error, which I expected to get because I've never used the slider on this. So we get this instead of enter. Slide for password length. And then options. Eight. Now we'll do 6 for this round, and then 24. Rewind, and I'm still getting an error. Slider emits and there's options. So that's not even a thing. We do 6. Okay, so actually let's just do this. Do a init and then st dot slider that's what it is. Let's do that slider. Is it select slider? And if it's that, then it would be slide for password length with a min val equals 6, and then max is 24. So we have an error, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong with this. Hey, we got it. Awesome. So let's put that in the notes of this. Select a password length. Damn it, I wish I had that set up correctly. Then with that, so it eliminates this whole thing right here. We won't have to have that anymore, which is the best part about having a slider. So now we have to get the user to checkboxes. It's my first time having our new keyboard and the trackpad. So to do that, we have to have the checkboxes. Channel itself like an idiot. Is it working? Why is that not going through? Have I really been streaming and it's been quiet the whole time? Are you kidding me right now? There's no way. Please tell me that's a lie. Please tell me that's a lie. No, it works on there. Why is it not working on my tablet? Oh, you know why? Because I have my tablet set up as a desktop, as an additional screen. Idiot. So that means I should be able to hear myself. Yep, that's what it is. What an idiot. I'm freaking out for no reason, thinking I screwed the chat up. Alright, well, let's get rid of that on there. Okay. Oh, boy. Let me mute this so I don't wake her up. With the checkboxes. like that. Better. Okay, dokie. The user selection is right here, so lower alpha is equal to st dot checkbox and oh yes, I don't need, oh no. Uh-oh. Oh, it don't like that. I have too much going on at once. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to shut that down. Shut that down. Shut that down. I just realized on how hot that was getting. What does my CPU oof. Disconnect that, please. Okay, so we have that we're going to just lower alpha. This is upper digits, and then this is going to be the special. And again, we just do include uppers case digits right here, and then we do your special characters. And we don't need letters, obviously. And we don't need a letter here, we just need characters. So, we have that. Boy, I did not realize that at all. So now we crap, I accidentally terminated or canceled that. And then we have this. Awesome. Minimize that. And have that. All the checkboxes made for the selection of upper, lower, special, and digits. It is to make the check boxes operational for uses. So now that is going to be with the which is going to be for another stream, I think, because I may hop off of here, and I don't know why it didn't change my title from Construction Simulator to Python. That's probably why, because I didn't change the thing to just chatting to an hour into the stream. Moron. Oh yeah, well, we got this far, so I think I'm gonna shut the stream down and hop over to the game. We're